What's your name?
My name is
Good. I want to show you some numbers. Can you tell me the number?
3.
Good. And
6.
good.
2. 4. 8.
Very good. And can you tell me the letter?
8.
E is for? Can you remember? E is for?
Elephant.
Good. And
B.
B is for?
Octopus.
Okay. And what is this letter?
N.
Good. N is for?
No.
Good. What color is this?
Black.
And?
Orange.
Good. And?
Yellow.
Excellent. And?
Pink.
Very good.